Hey guys, I thought we'd just pop on here real quick and show you another way of making turtles candy, and this time it's with our vegan coconut milk based caramel sauce, not the sugar free. This one uses coconut sugar, and we'll link to that recipe. But you just put out some pecans in a turtle pattern. We use 5, so you've got its arms and legs and its head. Put a blob of your caramel, pop it in the freezer. After your caramel has set a little bit, then we're going to coat them in chocolate. They're not quite solid enough here to pick up to dip, so we used a spoon to kind of cover them with chocolate, and then we're going to pop them back in the freezer to set that chocolate before we flip them over. So now that the chocolate is set, we can carefully peel them off. Now remember, there's caramel kind of sticking out the bottom, so it was sticking to our parchment a little bit, but they were able to be peeled off and flipped over. Then we're going to add a coating of chocolate just to seal that caramel in nicely, and we'll pop it back in the freezer, and then they are all set. So here I'm adding the chocolate and spreading it around to seal in the caramel, and I go back actually for a second layer just to make sure that they're fully sealed in. And I didn't show this on video, but before popping it back in the freezer, I actually flipped the turtles back right side up so they would have a flat bottom. You'll see when I pull it out of the freezer. And look at that, guys. How cute are they? Break it open, you can see the caramel inside. Enjoy, guys.